Hey guys, welcome back to another video. It is 2022. I haven't posted a video since like November maybe. I don't know, I gotta look back in time. But man, I've been crazy busy finishing school, then had all the holiday stuff. Then this new year we have a lot of stuff in store, a lot of updates. I guess one thing is I moved out, got my own apartment. Another thing is probably opening up our own restaurant. So right now we're super hectic. So honestly, I haven't been going to car meets. I barely washed my car. You guys will see in this video. But I wanted to give you guys a little update because I did work on something to make it faster. And I guess we'll just get right into it. I guess with the update right now. Go. All right. Anything different from you guys? Well, right off the bat, I guess this thing right here. Maybe I can put that clip in. But Nigel actually gave me this for my birthday. My birthday was in December. And he gave me these paddles. And they're actually pretty good. They're just stick-on ones, but they're cool. They look nice, and they feel good. And you notice anything else different? Yeah, that's right. This gauge right here. You guys know anything about snow performance? You guys probably already know what the heck this gauge is for. But it is a boost gauge. It reads boost. And also is actually my Meth controller. I'm going to go pop the trunk up for you guys so you guys can see that. So exterior-wise, haven't changed very much. It's super dirty. I don't know if it's coming out on camera. But haven't changed anything really that much. Probably gonna get new front tires soon. These are kind of running low, although they're actually pretty good still, and they hook really nice. I can't get second gear to hook, but third gear hooks very nice, especially with this upgrade I just did. Third gear works okay. Like basically anything above 50 is good. You guys can see wing isn't on. Let's see what else. So this is my Meth system. So I got the tank, got the pump, and the little stone over there. It's not really cleaned up yet because I'm still working on a lot of stuff. Some stuff not even hooked up. Like this is the low, what do you call it? The low sensor thingy. Like it tells you if their Meth is running low. But right now I've basically just been checking it every now and then to see if it's low, and keeping some Meth with me in the car. But that needs to be hooked up. Wing, I still have holes in here, unfortunately. Wing isn't on. If you guys remember that. Alright, so again, a wing isn't on, but it was on. I don't know if I showed you guys or even talked to you about it, but it broke before we went to Spocom. And Spocom was in I think Spocom was in November. So the wing hasn't been on since November, and then it was on for about a week or two, I think, because Aero actually sent me new stands for it. Put it on, and then I realized, well, as much as I like the car looking like this with the wing on, it actually really hurts my 60 to 130 time, like a lot. Like I'm talking about like 3 to 4 seconds almost, and that's a lot when you're talking about 60 to 130 times. So the wing is off now. I've been trying to sell it, kind of, not really. Like I kind of want it, like I kind of want to keep on to it, but it is listed on Marketplace for like a pretty ridiculous amount. I put it up for a good amount, so I kind of like, if I get that money, then I get the money. If I don't, I'm not like heartbroken by it or anything like that at all. I just kind of, I would rather keep it, but of course if someone wants to pay that money, we'll sell it. Everything has a price. So that's that. I've been working with IE to get my Meth controller, or sorry, my Meth tuned up for it. Right now we're running 625 cc's into the throttle body spacer. So right now we're working on it. I think I'm on my third or fourth revision with him, and we're just working through all this stuff, you know, timing and then boost and all that stuff. So I'm trying to think of other stuff that I've done in the past couple of months that I haven't talked to you guys about, but I think that's basically it. The biggest thing was the Meth and getting tuned for it, and I'm still in the works of tuning for it. Oh, I got my exhaust done. Okay, I guess I can show you guys this later, but I got my exhaust redone. So now it's not a straight pipe. I still have a valve, but I don't really use a valve anymore. It's actually just a single exit coming from the center, and it's like one of those Tome style mufflers. Sounds really good. Hopefully I can get you guys some clips, because I was gonna show you guys some pulls anyways, or sorry, I'll let you guys hear some pulls or whatever anyways of the car. But I like the sound. I think I'm gonna end up changing it anyways, because this was supposed to be a mock-up for a Tome, like a real Tome exhaust, or like a Tome muffler at least. So I think I'm gonna end up getting a Tome muffler, chopping this one off and putting that one in the replacement. And this one was like I said, was supposed to be just a mock-up version of it anyways. So that's what that was. But I like the sound of this one. It's not that bad. And things like, I still want to do seats. I want a new steering wheel. The exterior, especially if I don't have the wing anymore, I was gonna put a deposit down on a carbon hatch, but at the same time, the hatch door isn't even that, or the back hatch is not even that heavy. It's pretty much gutted right now, and it's not that heavy. The thing that's heavy is the glass. So it's like, as cool as a carbon hatch is, I don't know how much it's really gonna affect the weight and all that stuff. But again, you know, a lot of this stuff is just for aesthetics anyways. Carbon hood, carbon hatch, that stuff. Right now that hatch has holes in it anyway, so it's like I gotta, if I want to keep the wing off, I gotta replace that. What else? I guess other things in the future, like these are more like things that I would like to do, but maybe I don't know when I'm gonna be able to do them yet, just because of time and also money. Is getting the whole car like basically sanded down, taking all the plastic dip stuff off, and actually like, you know, taking it to a paint shop and getting it painted a real color, instead of just having this plastic dip on there. Because one, the plastic dip is like kind of fading now, but like at the same time, it's like, I mean, gosh, I'm hitting rocks and stuff all the time, and the plastic dip still holds, but there are some chips here and there. That we'd really like to do is actually get some wheels, because right now I have some just like rep wheels, honestly. Like, I'm not even gonna say like I was broke during the time, or not broke, but like less money than I have now, and probably less money than I'll have like in a couple of months. That like I just went with some wheels that were like a big size that would fit my wide body, with some good offset, and like that could let me run some meats in the front, because I knew from the beginning that I wanted to run meats so that I could actually get some grip for the Ko4x and all that stuff. But right now, like, again, they're great. They're actually really light and they're really strong. Like these, I hit pothole like every time I drive this car, it's just pothole. And there's no leaks, no cracks, no anything. And again, they're really light, surprisingly. I've even had shops tell me that like my wheels are light, even though they're like technically reps. They're MMRs. I don't know. I guess you can consider them reps. I guess I can talk about what I want to do with the channel now, because right now, I mean, as far as like you guys seen probably, and like anybody that has subscribed so far has seen that the channel has been kind of just like me building this car, but now the car is kind of slowly getting to the point where it's like kind of finishing up, like especially the power stuff, that I think I'm gonna start switching the content over to kind of like more racing stuff, and hopefully trying to, because there's a lot of people in my area that are kind of buddies of mine that have really nice cars that we can go out and you know, just have some fun and do some fun runs and stuff like that. Switching over to kind of more like a racing content. Yeah, that's kind of what I'm thinking right now. Yeah, there's like not a lot of space. I'm only like half throttling it right now. Faster it is from now and like before Meth, but because you know, when you drive, like, it's kind of weird. When you drive, everything kind of feels the same unless you're jumping from like 100 horsepower to like 500. Then that's like, yo, that's a big difference. But when you're jumping like, I don't know, even like 50, 60, 70, 80 horsepower, it doesn't feel that different. But it's kind of rush hour right now, a lot of traffic, unfortunately. But if you guys can, I don't know if you guys can hear the exhaust, but to me it sounds way more crisp and way better. But all right, ready? It sounds a lot better to me than just being straight pipes. Well, anyways, guys, I think it's gonna wrap it up for this video. I'm gonna start posting more now. I'm actually out of school for a little bit, and I think that's gonna give me more time. Not really, honestly. I've been so busy with like literally running like two and a half jobs now basically, and probably gonna get busier. Anyways, probably gonna push out more content though now that the holiday season is over, and I actually will have more time than the holiday season. But there's a couple little bit of pulls for you guys. Hopefully I can get the tune running full and 100%. We're almost there apparently. There's just a few, oh my gosh, spit everywhere. There's just a few tweaks and things like that Carter wants to do, or IE wants to do. And yeah, I mean, I'm gonna probably end up making another video that just like basically fully on just the car, like how it's running and all that stuff. And I would do a lot more pulls, and hopefully I can get a GoPro by then. I've been trying to get a GoPro for a long time. But anyways, see you guys next time. Thanks for you guys for stopping by, and subscribe if you guys haven't. Like the video, comment something. I don't even care what it is. Just comment something. Peace, guys.